Hi guys, how to select a specific nth child or even or odd childs in HTML and CSS. It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. As you can see, we have our unordered list here with the class name styled list. Suppose we want to select the item 4. For that, go to the style section, call for the class dot styled list space, then li for the list, clone nth dash child opening parenthesis closing parenthesis. As we want to select the number 4 item, so the parameter will be 4. Then opening brace closing brace, give it some space. Suppose for item 4 we want to have yellow background, so yellow semicolon, save, reload. See, it's really that simple. Let's try it for the table. Our table class name custom table, then whose child, table row or table data. Let's try it for the table row, tr, suppose third row, so the parameter will be 3, save, reload. See, for odd and even, just change the parameter to odd or even. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.